Welcome all the prestigious personalities. A very, very good day to all of you. I am Guneet, a proud student of Dr. Richa Rendurai, and I'm very excited and honored to be given a chance to moderate the book launch event for Dr. Richa's another book, a book that will be a landmark in explaining and bringing to light the many intricacies of exercise theory and practical in an easily explained language, and most importantly, translated to Hindi for its vast reach and acceptability. Exercise therapy made easy, guiding principles, is going to change the perception and acceptance of approach towards exercise therapy, which is still daunting to some of the best of us. But before we unfold today's key event, let me first introduce you all to the eminent personalities of the field. Please join me to extend our warmest welcome to the guests of honor of the event. Dr. Arun Kumar Agarwal, President of Delhi Council of Physiotherapy and Occupational Therapy. Dr. A.K. Agarwal is the former President of Delhi Medical Council and held the post of a Director and Professor in ENT and Dean at Maulana Azad Medical College. Dr. Agarwal has been a pioneer in the field of prevention of deafness in the country and in the Southeast Asia region as well. He is an additional Director General in charge and the national level coordinator for the National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness that has now been integrated with the National Rural Health Mission. He is also the Secretary General of the Sound Hearing 2030 Initiative, a program supported by the WHO to look into the prevention of deafness at various levels in the Southeast Asia region. We are honored to have your presence amongst us, sir. Moving ahead, let me introduce you to all the very eminent Professor Dr. Ramesh K. Goyal, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Delhi Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research University. Sir has been the Vice Chancellor of University of Baroda, Executive Director, Research and Strategies at V. Clin Biolabs, Chennai, Director Pharmacology at NMIMS University, Mumbai, Director ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, Punjab, and Professor at LM College of Pharmacy, Ahmedabad. Sir has been second non-Russian to have been accorded with the title Honorary Professor at Stavropol State Medical University in 80 years of the university. He has over 43 years of experience in teaching and research, particularly in cardiovascular pharmacology and diabetes. Dr. Goyal has several patents to his credit, over 21 books and numerous full paper articles and book chapters and abstracts published in national and international journals. He is the recipient of several national and international awards. Currently, he is the member of the Scientific Advisory Group in Herbal Division of ICMR, Scientific Advisory Committee of Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, and Phytopharmaceutical Group of Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, New Delhi. Sir, it is an honor to have you here and I welcome you and thank you to grace this event. Furthermore, we have amongst us Professor Dr. Nilima Patel, ex-principal and HOD Government College of Physiotherapy, Faculty of Medicine, Baroda. Ex-principal and HOD Government College of Physiotherapy, Faculty of Medicine, Baroda, Fellow of Indian Association of Physiotherapists, and author of several books on yoga and rehabilitation. Ma'am has received a special appreciation letter received by Honorable Principal Narendra Modi ji, the then Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2008 for her contributions to the field and mankind. She has several eminent awards in her list of accolades. Currently, she is the Honorary Director of Physiotherapy, Parul University. Ma'am has conducted more than 150 workshops on physio yoga and rehabilitation across India and more than 30 webinars during lockdown till date. She has also made a wonderful series on Yogasan on her YouTube channel. Thank you, ma'am, for inspiring us all and being an eminent part of this event. We also have with us the very renowned Professor Dr. Ali Rani, Head of Department, Physiotherapy and Sports Medicine, Nanavati Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai. Sir is also the chairperson, International Affairs, Indian Association of Physiotherapists, and principal, NMIMS University. He was the physiotherapist for the Indian cricket team. He worked as a researcher at Bombay Hospital and presented numerous papers and held workshops on innovative physiotherapy and sports medicine at various national and international conferences. He set up a physiotherapy and rehabilitation center in Bhuj, Gujarat for the earthquake victims and held lectures on disaster management along with rural physiotherapy camps and has been active in the community-based rehabilitation. He has won various awards and accolades for his achievements made in the field of physiotherapy, and we warmly welcome your presence amongst us, sir. Moving on to our next eminent guest of honor, I welcome my own postgraduate thesis guide and mentor, Dr. Vishwa Prakash Gupta, ex-chief physiotherapist, Department of CTVS CT Center and in charge, CIMR AIIMS, Delhi. Sir has presented and published several papers on cardiac rehabilitation, cardiopulmonary physiotherapy, intensive care, and cardiopulmonary physiotherapy in national and international conferences. He has also conducted workshops on various aspects of physiotherapeutic management of patients in the intensive care and cardiopulmonary physiotherapy in India and abroad. He is the principal investigator, co-principal investigator, and co-investigator in ICMR and DST-funded projects at AIIMS New Delhi. He is the member of VVIP Care Medical Team for Honorable ex-Prime Minister of India and Vice President of India. And Sir has been honored with many awards and honors for his significant contribution in the field. We thank you, sir, for gracing this event with your honorable presence. I now go ahead and introduce you to the very person in whose honor we have accumulated here. I present to you the author of the book we have been anticipating, Dr. Richa Hirendra Rai, Professor, School of Physiotherapy, Delhi Pharmaceutical Sciences, and Research University, Delhi. A board and BPT topper, having done her master's in physiotherapy, cardiovascular and respiratory PT, PhD hospital administration and healthcare management, she has also done her MBA finance and is a chartered financial analyst. Ma'am has been instrumental in shaping and diversifying the knowledge of physiotherapy, physiotherapy in intensive care, and in treating patients with holistic approach. She has taken up and excelled in administrative tasks as an HOD in teaching institutions and has successfully conducted numerous seminars, conferences, workshops, camps, and she has represented our field on various forums like All India Radio and international marathons. Ma'am has undertaken research-related tasks such as joint editor of the College Scientific Journal registered with RNI and has also been convener of Research and Development Cell. She has been active in various personality development, co-curricular and extracurricular tasks. She has several prestigious awards and achievements to her list of accolades and has several journal publications, conferences, FGPs, consultancy camps to her credit. In a crux, I can confidently say that she has enhanced herself, her students, and everywhere she has worked with her imagination, innovation, and efficiency. I thank you, and I wholeheartedly welcome you, Dr. Richa. I now shift my attention to the co-author and translator, Ms. Anita Gupta, an alumnus of Delhi University and an experienced teacher of Hindi language. With her unrelenting pursuit of excellence in the subject and unique, highly adaptive teaching style, she has been instrumental in shaping careers of several students. Every year, numerous students trained by her go on to successfully clear Hindi subjects in highly competitive common entrance exams for admissions to some of India's most prestigious schools like Doon, Scindia, Mayo, etc. Beside pursuing her passion for teaching, she continues to actively contribute on several media and platforms as a Hindi language expert. And I welcome you, ma'am, for your gracing this event. They say, hear the wise and inculcate their knowledge and experience. And moving ahead, we will do just the same. I would now like to request our eminent guests of honor to please share their words of wisdom with us. I invite Dr. Arun Kumar Agarwal to please speak a few words for us. Sir?
Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Great. Good evening, all my colleagues, all different dignitaries in front of me, and of course, Dr. Richa Rai and Mrs. Anita Gupta. First of all, I will like to congratulate Anita ji because of two reasons. Number one, that she has co-authored this wonderful book. And number two, she is the mother of someone who is perhaps coming up successfully the subject of physiotherapy. And what we heard about her, I was lucky enough to be present when she got selected for DIPSRU, and that's why I have gone through her CV. And the way she had achieved so far, number one, and number two, her vision, her involvement. So the entire credit, of course, will go to Richa, but I'm sure the success of children, the parent will play a very important role. Not that कि parents उनको हाथ से कुछ याद करवा रहे हैं, but they are always there whenever the child needs them. So congratulations, Anita ji, for your daughter doing so well in her subject. And of course, to Richa. Richa, in this field of physiotherapy, you started your career, you did very well, you're doing very well. And besides, Dr. Ramesh Goel, my Honorable Vice Chancellor, is very much with us. रमेश जी, मैं हमेशा एक ही चीज कहता हूं कि हम जिस सब्जेक्ट में हैं उस सब्जेक्ट को तो हमको करना ही है. हमारी सक्सेस इसमें है कि हम उस सब्जेक्ट के अलावा कुछ और ऐसा भी करें जिससे कि हमारी सोसाइटी को फायदा हो रहा है. We become beneficial to the different aspect of society, and that is what exactly Professor Richa is doing. I have gone through the book. It is so well written as well as so simple. So this the book not only for the student, this is the book for each one of us. This is the book for each and every member of the society. I know one thing very well that, and I always share it with my all colleagues. My colleague Dr. VP Gupta is there. मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ कि फिजियोथेरेपी और जो हमारे एक्सपर्ट फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, उनका रोल अनपैरेलल. एक मेडिकल डॉक्टर का रोल अपनी जगह है in the whole scenario of the patient's treatment, and physiotherapist colleague का रोल तो इतना ज्यादा बढ़ता जा रहा है कि यदि हम प्रिसाइजली अपने आप को ठीक से करें तो गवर्नमेंट को और किसी भी हॉस्पिटल को, किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूशन को प्रैक्टिकली कौन सा ऐसा मरीज है इन ईच एंड एवरी डिसिप्लिन जहां फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट का रोल नहीं है. हमारे वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर रमेश गोयल जी ने बहुत अच्छा हमारा जो स्कूल ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपी स्टार्ट करा के इट इज प्रोग्रेसिंग वेरी वेल. आई एम प्राउड not only as Governor Council member of DIPSRU, as President of Physiotherapy Council of Delhi, and I know it very well that this College of Physiotherapy has already achieved a lot, And very soon, Dr. Goel, it is going to be the #1 college of India. So congratulations, Professor Richa, for having written such a lovely, simple book. Congratulations, Mrs. Anita Gupta, for the support not only to your daughter, to support to all of us. Thank you.
Guneet, you have to unmute yourself. Thank you.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible now. Thank you.
You are audible.
All right. I now extend my warm welcome to Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Ramesh K. Goel, to enrich us with his experience and share a few words with us.
Thank you very much. Good evening to all. Honorable, respected our Arun Agrawal ji, and all the distinguished colleagues present here. My hearty congratulations to Dr. Richa. And I remember one thing, once somebody asked कि भगवान कहाँ है, किसी ने पूछा, तो एक माँ थी, उसने अपने बच्चे को, उसने जो आदमी था जिसने जब वो जिसको रिप्लाई करना था, उसने अपने बच्चे को उसकी माँ की गोदी में दे दिया, बोलते हैं कि यही स्वर्ग है। कहने का मतलब माँ एक ऐसी शक्ति होती है जो किसी को शेप करने में, किसी के कैरेक्टर में जितना रोल एक माँ का होता है, किसी का नहीं हो सकता। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि गुप्ता जी आपने इतना समर्थन और कंट्रीब्यूशन किया। रादर एक हिंदी की टीचर होते हुए, इट इज नॉट ए ट्रांसलेशन सिंपल, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, इट इज नॉट ओनली ए सिंपल ट्रांसलेशन, इट can be done now by Google also. That is a different case. But it is a guidance you have given, the hidden guidance which is there. And I must congratulate you for that. Well, today we have with us Dr. Nilima. I take pride that she is from the place where I had my graduation, post-graduation, my own city where I spent childhood as well as the up to the graduation, rather post-graduation, and incidentally even the vice chancellor there. So it's a pride moment. And then again, Nilima was another one who was present in that selection committee. Thanks for giving such a wonderful candidate to us. Well, IAP President Irani ji, I welcome you. And as rightly mentioned by Professor Arun Gupta ji, Arun Agrawal ji, and our university is really developing in a really logarithm way, I can say right now. I will say the latent period of first 5 years is over. We have completed first 5 years, wherein we were in a sort of a latency. I think physiologists know much more than that. There is a latency, even in the muscular system there is a latency. So that period is over. And I am happy to announce today that soon means within 15 days, we are going to have a center of meditation and yoga therapy, which is going back in yoga. in our university, and government has allocated probably 20 plus crore rupees for that. And we are going to have all over. It is going to be a different center by itself. And yes, there is a such things are definitely required. Such lucid books are also required, and it will come through. Not only that, we are in the position preparation of expanding our university. अरुण अग्रवाल जी ने बताया कि हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी सून फर्स्ट होगी, पर फिजियोथेरापी में तो पहली बैच के साथ ही ये फर्स्ट घोषित कर दी गई. रादर फर्स्ट नहीं तो अमंग द टॉप 10 फार-बेस्ड फिजियोथेरापी इंस्टीट्यूट में घोषित कर दी गई है. So this itself is a big thing for us. And last week, even the Times of India listed us as one of the top universities in the pharmacy. So it's going to be a real pride moments for us. And pride begins with, बोलते ना, बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है, समुद्र बनता है. बुक्स भी एक बहुत बड़ी बूंद होती है, उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा है. क्योंकि मैंने खुद, मेरी 12 बुक्स चलती हैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया, और आई नो मे बी 10, 20, 30,000 कॉपीज आर प्रिंटेड एवरी ईयर फॉर वेरियस बुक्स. सो आई नो द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. सो आई विल ओनली से माई हार्टिएस्ट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. एज अ वीसी आई विल से कीप इट अप. बोलते हैं कि मंजिलें अभी बहुत हैं, आपको इतना ऊंचा उठना है कि आसमान से कहना पड़े थोड़ा और ऊपर चला जाए. With this, I thank you for inviting me, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your inspiring words, for promoting holistic education. Moving ahead, I welcome Dr. Nilima Patel to inspire us and share with us her valuable thoughts.
Very good evening to one and all, specifically Professor Dr. Agrawal, Professor Ramesh Goel, of course, Ali Irani, and my dear Richa, and her loving mother, Mrs. Anita Gupta. It's an immense pleasure for me sitting in front of the screen today and listening to so many dignitaries and talking so high about my own child of physiotherapy, Richa. I recall my days of her entering into the college as a first year student way back, I think so, if not, I'm not wrong, 1996. Though I was more involved into the final year programs, and of course, as a second year, my one of the favorite subject was biomechanics, and I always used to tell my students, and still believe, that biomechanics is said to be the great defense weapon for a physiotherapy professional to flourish in all dimensions of her career. May it be neurophysiotherapy, maybe cardiopulmonary, maybe musculoskeletal, maybe sports, maybe women's health, but biomechanics is said to be the foundation. And based on the principles of biomechanics, definitely the outline of exercise therapy, if it is strengthened, I think so, a physiotherapist can do wonders in all the dimensions. So when I came across this book, the copy of this book, which Richa had definitely couriered me, and I was so happy to see the English and the same topics translated in Hindi. The effort made by her mother is stupendous, marvelous. I do remember Richa as a student, not only as a student, but a multi-dimensional person. She was so involved into grooming her juniors. She was so respectful towards her seniors, so humble always. It's not because I'm sitting in front in front of the screen and I have to say some good words. No, it's straight from my heart. A topper in 10th, almost, if I'm not wrong, third rank in Gujarat and maybe topper in Surat. She could have, and 12th science also, she did wonders. She could have got admission in medical field, engineering field, but she chose to be a physiotherapist. Maybe the connectivity had to happen. To me, yoga is connectivity. And this connectivity with this child of mine of physiotherapy happened maybe because she chose to the field which I am so proud of. So while going through the book, chapters on force and equilibrium and posture and Newton's laws and liver, I understand she might have understood the pain of the first years who take admission with all the language issues. And if she and if Mrs. Anita Gupta, if she has translated it, I can empathize with the pain she might have felt with that of the daughter's pain when she was trying to groom her students right from the first year knowledge. So I congratulate Richa and Mrs. Anita Gupta both for the wonderful work they have done. And I feel so proud today. I have always mentioned that fuel for the body is food, fuel for the soul is music, but fuel for the intellect are the books. Come what may, let Google do anything and make translation easy and everything. But when someone comes with a book, I think so it is the intellectual mind that has worked out hard to give something so simple but so complete to the students of first and second year. So once again, congratulate Richa for coming out with a nice step. It's a human approach which you have come up with so that the students in first year can understand the subject more easily. Thank you for inviting me for this wonderful session. I could meet good dignitaries, respectful dignitaries, and connect with you all today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the words of appreciation for ma'am, and thank you for being ever inspiring. After hearing ma'am share her insights, I now invite Professor Dr. Ali Rani to grace the event with his invaluable words. Sir.
Sir, kindly unmute yourself.
Good evening, respected Dr. Arun Kumar Agarwal ji. Thanks for accepting and being guest of honor for us. Thank you, Professor Ramesh Goel. Happy to see that you were ex-MSU and ex-NMIMS also. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Being the Vice Chancellor, you should be a person. I have been knowing Richa, especially when she joined Delhi. I remember talking to her, and just being an ex-MSU, I was always following and seeing what all she's doing. No doubt we had get one of the best staff coming from another university to your university. And I'm very sure about it. She will make your university grow and make your physiotherapy as one of the best colleges in North. Thank you, Dr. Nilima, my mentor, my senior from MSU. Thanks a lot for your kind words. Thank you, Dr. Vishwa Prakash Gupta ji. Thanks for coming. You have been a great force for our physiotherapists in the North and especially AIIMS, and great work that you have been doing. I would thank Mrs. Gupta. I always believed that God could not be everywhere, so God created mothers. So finally, you proved it, what you had to do for your daughter. I did, and thank you, Guneet, for your kind words. And thank you for gracing us with all your good work and introducing all of us. Anita ji, God bless you. And this was just the start. I'm sure Richa is going to keep you busy again with the other subjects to come to follow. And I wish and pray that Richa gets other translators. Because when I gave it to my postgraduate students to just have a glance for a book, and most of us told me, we wish we had it in our first year and second years. Because physiotherapy has to do with movement science, physiotherapy has to do with exercise, whether we diagnose them by seeing an X-ray or MRI, or whether we diagnose them with clinical help. Finally, the treatment becomes exercises. So the base, the foundation, what you have written in your exercise therapy made easy. It means the meaning of it is you have made it easy, especially for the North Indians who had difficulties to understand English, and most of our books comes from abroad, from Western countries. So you have made it so easy, putting it in Hindi to them, and that is the base, that is the foundation. And I always say that foundation shows the height of the building. So you are making the foundation so strong. So when they come out as a physiotherapist, they will really know what to do with the patients. I wish you it becomes in Gujarati, it goes in Tamil, it goes in Malayali, wherever there are physiotherapy colleges. I want first one, the next one to come in Gujarati, because Gujarat has 75 physiotherapy colleges. It is highest in the country. And Nilima will say, when we were a student, whole Gujarat had only one college, and that was MSU, SSG Hospital, Baroda. But today, of course, maybe when Richa was also a student, I don't think so. There was a second college in Gujarat. Yeah. But today we have got 75 colleges and universities for physiotherapy in that highest in the country, then the better. And hope the next book comes in Gujarati and you find a good translator for yourself. And I wish and pray, may God give you a healing hand. Keep writing. It's a great service to your profession and to the students. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. That was really awe-inspiring. And it is no wonder you have a fan following like that. I now invite Dr. Vishwa Prakash Gupta to share his thoughts and words with us, please. Sir.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Honorable President of Delhi Council for Physiotherapy and Occupational Therapy, Dr. Agarwal ji. In a sense, he has been my mentor also. Like the experience which he has given and shared with the council work has definitely given us energy and strength to go for the physiotherapy, growth of physiotherapy. Professor Goel, an eminent scientist and a very human being, a real human being, and dedicated to the profession and for the growth of the subjects and for the service of mankind. His works are really of eminence. And I know when, since last 2 years, I have been in contact with him and through Delhi Council for Physiotherapy. And the way he has been doing for his university, for the subject, and for the School of Physiotherapy. No wonder the university has been ranked in top 10 universities of North of the India. And this is going to be, we wish that this becomes a role model for all other physiotherapy institutions in the country. Not in the country, but in abroad. Because they have got the will, they have got the dedicated staff and faculty, like Professor Richa. They have got sector sanction, they have got good connect with the government, and the political will is there. So no wonder that within 4-5 years, this university becomes one of the top university in the name of for the subject of physiotherapy also. Dr. Irani and Dr. Nilima Patel, both my idols, Dr. Ali had been, I have known him since 1991, I think, when even before that, I think 1996 or 1986, when I came into the profession. And through Dr. Dinesh Sharma, I known him in 91 when we met for the first time. His energy and dedication towards the profession was immense. And really, whenever he meets, he gives us more energy. His touch is really immense. Dr. Nilima, I have met her when I think it was in Pune when we had met, and it was a real professional connect with her. She had been mentors to so many students and so many research scholars that the country has been availing their services through her immense vision and immense skill and knowledge. Uh, Finally, when it comes to the topic of this book, I know Dr. Richa since she was in Delhi and she joined the Guru Gobind Singh University College, the Banarsi Das Chandiwala College of Physiotherapy. And from the very first impression when I met her during the course of inspection of the college, it was really like impressive. She had dedicatedly developed the curricula, the infrastructure, the teaching program, and the student coordination in a manner that no other institution had at that time, especially in cardiopulmonary physiotherapy field, because I'm also from that same field and this is very close to my heart. I've been working since 1985 in cardiopulmonary field itself, and I have seen the ups and downs in the field. But proudly I can say that cardiopulmonary field is one which makes it, the glamour of the field is such that makes it different from all other streams, because it is a matter of dedication, it is a matter of developing your reflexes, it is a matter of like updating your knowledge, updating your skills in day-to-day practice, that you have the satisfaction of saving the life of the patient in acute, in intensive care, in different emergency setups. And Richa really was when I met her. With her knowledge, with her updated knowledge, with her skills, and with her connect, the students was fond of Professor Richa, that I can say that she was not only their teacher, she were real friends. She was all the time, like whenever I had talked to some of the students, whenever she had like any student had any difficulty, she was available for them to release it out and to solve it and to help them out or whatever they come through. Now, her dedication, I knew that she will reach the heights and she will do something wonderful. And this was, we had discussed it some time back also, that our professional subjects easy for our local students, for our countrymen, for our country students of our own country, so that the topic of physiotherapy, the profession of physiotherapy can get the excellent students. As Dr. Ali said, that we are the people who study health science by movement. So we are called movement scientists. And at every cellular level, life is not possible without movement. Static is death. So we are proud to be movement scientists and bring life to all of mankind. Not in medical way, not in other way, not like all our health professions are also giving lives, but as a movement scientist, we are proud to be associated with the comprehensive health management and giving services to the mankind. For all this, we must have a skill which is powerful, which has its good foundation, which has its vision, and which has the capability of updating itself by its own through the day-to-day practices. And that comes only when the subject is made easy for the learners, for the students who are just building the foundation in the subject. This book had definitely made that foundation very strong and has made things to do very easy. I would congratulate Professor Richa and her mother, Mrs. Anita Gupta ji, who had genuinely done very exemplary work in translating this wonderful book and indicating the sayings of our Honorable Prime Minister that all the technical and professional education should be available for our country, students of our country in their local languages. So this is the first step, and the initiation is so big that definitely this will inspire others also. And this will give enough strength, more strength to Professor Richa also to continue this work and continue translating and doing such exemplary work in future as well. Because subject is very wide. Exercise therapy, the basics of exercise therapy build the profession of physiotherapy. The whole career students have to process the biomechanics and exercise therapy. So the way the subject has been described, in translation in Hindi language, it is really wonderful. And I can say that each and every person who reads this book and goes through this book will definitely be benefited in understanding the subjects very well. There should not be any difficulty in understanding the subject now. One thing I would like to poem which Mrs. Gupta has worded in the initiation of the Hindi poem, it the most describes the profession of physiotherapy in the best words. So I congratulate Richa, her mother, and it is the moment to congratulate the whole fraternity of physiotherapy that we have such talented people that who can do wonders not only in our profession but for the mankind in all other fields. So thank you all, Richa, for making the part of this elite panel, and I wish you all the best in your future. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Your graceful words of encouragement really mean a lot. And now, for the moment we have all been waiting for, in the anticipation of the book that had us all looking forward to, I present to you the revolutionary book authored by Professor Dr. Richa Hirendra Rai and co-authored and translated in Hindi language by Ms. Anita Gupta ji, Exercise Therapy Made Easy, Guiding Principles. I request you and invite you all to launch the most awaited and the most explanatory book on exercise therapy. With its easy explanation and catchy illustrations, this book is bound to revolutionize the way we look at exercise therapy. It will help the students to understand and visualize the movements and functions in a much better and an explanatory manner. Kindly hold the book up on the screen and please turn on your cameras till this video plays so that we can capture the moment while you take a moment to appreciate the hard work, compassion, and clarity with which this book has been authored and presented. Okay. Thank you. I now invite the author herself, Dr. Richa Hirendra Rai, to share her experiences with us. Ma'am.
Thank you, Guneet. Thank you, everyone, First and foremost, let me begin by thanking all my elders, teachers, mentors and guides, colleagues, friends and relatives for joining this session. My idea behind coming up with this book on exercise therapy made easy, Exercise Therapy Saral Anuvad, marks the beginning of my quest towards attaining a threefold objective. Firstly, to explain and present the principles of physiotherapy in a simple and basic language. Secondly, to narrow down the gap. I can share a very small incident with you today. A student comes up to me to ask me, ma'am, why does the line of gravity have to run from the vertex of the head to the center of base of support? Why does it have to run as in particular? Why is it running all the time? That struck me because even a simple word, run, is actually not allowing the student to understand the concept behind the entire syllabus. So, I also have seen that many brilliant students in pursuit of career in medical and allied health sciences seek admission in reputed universities and institutes. However, they are not able to excel because with basic understanding in English medium, they struggle through their initial days. Before they actually start learning the professional skills, the gap widens further. It takes a while to acclimatize to the new medium of instruction. This book will therefore help in narrowing down the gap. Thirdly, enhance communication with the patient. During my vast experience in teaching and treating patients for more than 19 years now, I have observed that the communication with the patient happens in Hindi. I'm sure we all acknowledge that while treatment is important, communication is key and caring through communication matters. Thus, this book will not only aid theoretical needs, but it will also help the clinical practice of the different students, as well as the practitioners who have not understood the basics of physiotherapy. Is there some disturbance? Am I audible?
You are audible, but there's a slight disturbance.
Okay, fine, I'll continue. Also, this book, we are all aware that National Education Policy has given an explicit stress on the use of mother tongue and regional language for teaching and learning of language. This mandate is a small but an important step towards the development. So, my dear students, I'm well wished. It is an honest report that your valuable input will serve a further source of inspiration for making human life better. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, we've lost your voice.
Over to you, Billy.
Okay, we had lost your voice in the end. Well, thank you, ma'am. And we can certainly appreciate the vision behind this book, and it definitely is going to revolutionize the way we see and practice exercise therapy. Now, before we call it a day, let us lend a special ear to the amazing person whose efforts have actually made this book unique. Mrs. Anita Gupta, over to you, ma'am. Mrs. Anita.
सॉरी आज हमारे पुस्तिका विमोचन के इस अवसर पर कैन यू लिसन कैन यू हियर मी
यस मैम यस वी कैन
आज पुस्तिका विमोचन के पर मैं उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों का अभिनंदन करती हूँ। डॉक्टर विश्व प्रकाश गुप्ता, डॉक्टर अरुण अग्रवाल, डॉक्टर रमेश के गोयल जी, डॉक्टर नीलिमा पटेल, डॉक्टर अली ईरानी, आप सभी ने बड़े विनम्र और खूबसूरत शब्दों में हमारा उत्साहवर्धन किया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत आभार। ऋचा, तुम्हारे इस प्रयास की मैं सराहना करती हूँ और तुम्हें बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। और ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि वे तुम्हें ऐसा सामर्थ्य प्रदान करें कि तुम जीवन में इसी प्रकार खूब प्रगति करो और सफलता की ऊंचाइयों को छू सको। कुछ पंक्तियां आशीर्वचन के रूप में मैंने ऋचा के लिए लिखी हैं, प्रस्तुत हैं। भावों को अपने पहनाऊं, शब्दों का मैं जामा, तारीफ करूं जो बिटिया की तो क्या कहेगा जमाना। जुगनू हो तुम, रोशनी जिसकी अंधेरों में भी न छिप पाती, छूना चाहती हो आसमान, भरनी है तुम्हें ऊंची उड़ान। पंखों की ताकत पे अपनी भरोसा, नई नई मंजिल पाने को भला किसने रोका। रास्ते तुम्हारे, मनोबल तुम्हारा, धुन की हो पक्की, रोड़ों की तुमको परवाह ही कब थी। सागर में राह है तुमको बनानी, कदम बढ़ चले हैं मुड़ के क्यों देखो, रोकेगा क्या कोई रास्ता तुम्हारा। God bless you, Richa.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We can see definitely your pride and your affection for your daughter from these words. Now, I request Dr. Richa to please extend her heartfelt vote of thanks.
उससे पहले मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगा.
Sure, sir.
I'll just take a minute with the permission of our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sahab. Dr. Ramesh Goyal ji, the way your School of Physiotherapy is coming up, developing, I have already mentioned that very soon it is going to be the #1 college of India. And it is all because of your guidance, being with the faculty, encouragement, that all of them are doing very well. Of course, as governing council member, we are always there. मेरी शुरू से एक इच्छा रही है कि ये कॉलेज एक ऐसा कॉलेज बन के निकल के आए जिसको कि एक यूनिक स्टेटस मिले, ना कि सिर्फ इंडिया में जबकि ऑल ओवर द ग्लोब. And you have faculty like Richa, you have faculty like Shilpa, Dr. Kalra, and so many. And सबके साथ मिलके और हम लोग साथ में हैं, एक अच्छा कॉलेज बन चुका है, उसको और भी जितना आगे ले जा सकेंगे ले जाने की कोशिश करेंगे. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir. Over to you, Dr. Richa.
Thank you, Dr. Dilip. I just can't express myself, but this sounds like a formality here. So I would definitely like to say a few words to all. I would like to extend a special thanks to our distinguished guest, Dr. A.K. Agarwal and Tali Rani, for having written the foreword. Actually, the name exercise therapy made me be the baby of Dr. Ali Rani. So thank you so much, sir, for suggesting the name. Professor Ramesh K. Goyal, Dr. Nilima Patel, Dr. V.P. Gupta for always bestowing their best wishes. And to all for having joined today. And also all the professionals in this event. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to my friends and family, my colleagues, my students who have always been my strength and who are joined from different parts of the globe. A special thanks to my cover page designer and illustrator, Ms. Shinjini, who has worked with me patiently on this book. Having acknowledged all, a special mention to my superpower, my soulmate, my husband, and my son, who is also technical support for today. I'm so thankful to you that you've always motivated me to keep striving for the best. And I'm sorry for having compromised all the time and all the time for this thing. With the Almighty, I would also like to thank my brother, my sister-in-law, especially my father-in-law, Professor
sacrifice, respect and care, and their student leadership. He has always been my inspiration. My teachers, parents, mom, and researchers become my dad, along with my younger brother, Dennis Garrison. A special thanks to Dr. Denise for giving us some time from her busy schedule and working on this special project of mine. And again, the book is dedicated to my sweet mother for having worked relentlessly on the translation of the book. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, and you're most welcome. Dear distinguished guests, Ms. Anita Gupta has drafted a beautiful motivational poem for the budding physiotherapists. Before I call upon some friends and family members to bestow their wishes, I request Ms. Anita Gupta ji to express it and directly connect to us. Ma'am.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you. फिजियोथेरेपी पढ़ने वाले बच्चों के लिए हिंदी में एक कविता आवाहन। ये कविता आपको किताब में भी पढ़ने को मिलेगी। फिजियोथेरेपी पढ़ने वालों, सुन लो मेरी कहानी। यदि विषय की बात करूं तो है ये बहुत रूहानी। मांसपेशियों, स्नायु तंत्र और हड्डियों में फूके जान, अद्भुत है ये महाऔषधि, लाती चेहरों पर मुस्कान। हृदय रहे सुरक्षित, फेफड़े बने मजबूत, अजब गजब है महिमा इसकी, काम करे अति खूब। तन मन से सब स्वस्थ बने, बच्चे बूढ़े और जवान, मानवता की सेवा का स्वर्णिम अवसर मिला महान। गर्व करोगे खुद पर एक दिन, महसूस करोगे यह सब जान। समझ सको तो समझ तुम लेना, फिजियोथेरेपी एक वरदान। जिस दिन मन रम जाए इसमें, तब जाओगे बात ये मान। सेवा शीर्षा ध्येय बनेगा, सब जन होंगे एक समान। स्वास्थ्य लाभ मिलेगा सबको, सद्भावना विकसित होगी। कृतज्ञता का भाव भरेगा उस दिन ये सारा संसार। तब जाकर महसूस करोगे जीवन कैसा हुआ साकार। ध्यान धरो तुम, ध्यान करो, कर्तव्य मार्ग पर आगे बढ़ना है। जीवन में कुछ कर पाने का दृढ़ निश्चय तुमको करना है, तभी बनेगी तुम्हारी पहचान। फिजियोथेरेपी।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. That was beautiful and very, very inspiring indeed. No wonder you are the most sought after poetess on the All India Radio. With this, I leave the platform open for the family members and also call it off here. Good night and God bless.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो ऋचा, बहुत सुंदर रहा, बहुत अच्छा कार्यक्रम रहा। बधाई हो और मेरा आशीर्वाद।
Thank you.
Richa, congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you
Many
so
congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you again. Thank you for all the wonderful things that you've done to me.
Thank
My
you,
pleasure.
Richa, and all the best. Many more books to come.
Thank
It
you,
was a
sir.
start. Thank you. God bless. Bye.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Just say congratulations.
Congratulations, Richa auntie. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shinjini. I think you can switch on your camera to show everyone who are there. You've made all the illustrations in the book.
Congratulations, Richa.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, auntie.
Acha, but say congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Richa.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
अनीता तुम्हारे को भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। बहुत सुंदर अनुवाद किया।
Thank you, Didi.
Anita,
Thank you
बहुत
so much.
सुंदर पोयम। Amanita Setia।
Thank you. Yeah, this is my friend.
अब एक बड़ी लेखिका बन गई हो तुम।
मैं सबको बताना चाहूंगी यहाँ फिगर डॉक्टर अरुणा गुप्ता, मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉ। और मैं आप सबको इनसे इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना चाहती हूँ।
Congratulations, Richa.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Richa.
Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for and being a part of such a special occasion of my life.
Yeah. Richa, very well
Congratulations.
done.
Proud moment.
Thank you. Thank you, Mona. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Bhabiji. Thank you, everyone. Hi, Archana. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pushpa Auntie. Thank you, Anita.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Richa.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
nice.
you so much. Thank you, Avinal sir. Thank you, Dr. Ekta, Dr. Kishore, everybody. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Richa.
Richa, this is Pushpa Auntie.
Congratulations, Anita. You too.
Thank you, Pushpa. Thank you so much. Richa, this is Pushpa Auntie from Pune.
I leave.
Thank you,
Guneet,
Guneet.
very well done.
Yeah, Guneet, you have done so well.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
It was a pleasure.
Yeah, Richa
Very
का
nice.
तो शायद.
Anita, beautiful poem. Really proud
Thank you,
of you.
thank you, Anita. Yeah, thank you so much.
And congratulations to Richa. Well done.
Thank you, Auntie. I think I lost connection in between.
No, God bless you. God bless you.
Mona, I would like to hear something from you. If you have some time, I know you are in the ICU right now.
Yeah. So, Richa, today my heart is like filled with joy and pride to be just here and part of like another beautiful, beautiful milestone celebration. Like many of you know that I have known Richa since high school, but the irony is we were in different sections during the high school and we never met, like we never spoke to each other. But in our first year of PPT at Baroda, we became best friends, like two sides of a coin. And I remember from the very beginning, everybody was like calling us as Richa and Monica. It was like just felt like so much two sides of a coin, and our friendship kept growing stronger and stronger. And we reached a point where we would understand each other's mind before the words. We truly, truly share a very special bond, a conversation that never ends. Your friendship is truly an asset in my life. And like, it's such a proud and joyous moment to just witness this extraordinary joint creation by you and Auntie. Auntie, it says, right, that we both are born from different mothers, but to me, you are my mom. So that is such a big, proud moment. And I'm sure this book is going to be like received with the readers and they will thoroughly, thoroughly enjoy it. This book is truly a perfect blend of simplicity, professionalism, creativity, and healing vibrations. And I have seen few of the illustrations and they are so stunning, yet simple, and will make an easy read for everyone. This is what we need in today's world. I've always admired Richa for her dedication, sincerity, tenacity, and passion in all her creations. And all this comes as a genetic that's coming from Auntie. So I'm sure like her unique and detailed understanding of the subject makes her the best author, and Auntie the best translator given she is the subject expert in Hindi. Knowing you, Richa, I can assure this book is nothing less than an excellent, excellent masterpiece. I really wish you the very best, and I'm looking forward to celebrate many, many more celebrations together and creations from you and Auntie together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mona.
For your kind words. Yeah, Mama, you can talk further.
Richa ma'am,
Yeah,
I take your leave.
Yeah, please. Thank you so much again. Thank
It was
you.
so good.
You are
Thank
one
you
of my most
for giving me this honor.
students.
Guneet,
Thank you for
very
giving.
well,
Thank you.
very well done.
Thank you for giving me this honor. Actually, thank you so much.
Yeah, your work was wonderful.
And
Yeah,
many thank you, ma'am, and many congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.
so much.
Richa, I'm looking forward to many more books like this.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
All the
dear.
best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
bye. आंटी दोनों पोएम्स बहुत अच्छी थी.
अच्छा